Respected dear family members, as you all know, Indian Institute of Scientific Heritage has started Dharma News, www.dharmanews.in. You can download it in your Android smartphone. You can watch that in TV. Every day we are uploading many messages connected with Kerala, India and India international level. Dharma word means duty plus responsibility plus privilege. So Dharma news means the news connected with the duty of all Indians, responsibility of all Indians and the privilege of all Indians. Right from an ordinary man up to the President of India or Prime Minister of India. What they are doing inside India, what they are doing outside India. What Indians are doing inside India, Indians are doing outside India. That is why the word Dharma news has come. It has got nothing to do with the spirituality. But spirituality is also a part of Dharma. So some of the news given in that, every day we will be informing you as Dharma news. Now, you know that one in Gujarat, Japanese giant Suzuki wanted to establish their automobile shop, automobile manufacturing center, Suzuki. By 2017 it will be ready, and they have invested 18,500 crore rupees. 18,500 crore rupees as a part of Make in India, and per year 2,50,000 vehicles will be produced there. Per year 2,50,000 vehicles will be produced. By 2022, per year 2 million cars will be produced from there. Next news, by 2020, 175 million people will be utilizing online shopping facility in India. 175 million people will be utilizing online purchasing shopping facility in India. Next news, in Facebook, India stands second to America, and 150 million people have enrolled in the Facebook in India. Fast, the growth is fastest in the world. 115 million people have enrolled in the Facebook. Next, the Chennai port has been expanded, and they will be handling 50 million tons of cargo. It's a huge amount, 50 million tons of cargo every year they will be handling. Thus, Chennai has become one of the best, perhaps the best port in India. Now, another point, whatever material you are purchasing, giving the cash, if you are giving 2 lakhs and above, 1% tax should be given. That rule has been brought by Finance Minister from June 1st. Then next point, Apple company has decided to open their outlet, but never the second-hand iPhones. Apple company was interested in selling their really modified, refurbished, used smartphones, iPhones. But India government did not allow that. Selling second-hand telephone in India, Government of India prevented. So they are trying their level best to sell the good ones. Next point, when India government has signed the MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, for the Chabar port in Iran, and opening the gateway to Afghanistan through Iran and building the roads. When such a fantastic MOU has been signed and India is building its powerful relation with Bangladesh, Burma, through Burma, the eastern countries up to Vietnam, Cambodia and so on, that gateway will be opened shortly. India is building relation with Mauritius, Mali, Lenga, but weaker relation with Nepal, and trying to build the best relation with Afghanistan, Iran and UAE and other countries, Kuwait, Muscat and so on, plus Indian relation building with the European countries and America. Really Pakistan is worried about it. The word worried about it is very important. Next news, our Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has told that if you are ordering for Ganga Jal, it will be coming to you through the post. You can just order Ganga Jal, fresh Ganga Jal from Rishikesh or Haridwar, clean and neat. That will be coming to you. So you need not go to Rishikesh or Haridwar for getting that. Next news, Hindus and Muslims from Uttar Pradesh, they came together last week. They started discussing about Babri Masjid and Rama Janmabhoomi, and within short period, if others are not intervening with that, the so-called Babri Masjid Rama Janmabhoomi problem will be solved, and Muslims and Hindus will be building their powerful relations. Then next point, India could achieve 7.6% GDP growth, and that number is higher than the growth recorded by China, which is standing about 6.7. This is almost 1% more. For the first time, India is recording the highest level of growth among the countries world over. Next news, these are all the news given in dharmanews.in, www.dharmanews, dharma, news, one word, .in. You should go through that one. It will be very good for you. India has become the world's fastest growing major economy, and the growth is accelerated to 7.9%. That is in the January, February, March 2016. Whereas India's growth was 7.2% in the Q3, third quarter of 2015. Now, next point, 50,000 Muslim women came together under Bharatiya Muslim Mahila Andolan, BMMA, Bharatiya Muslim Mahila Andolan, and they declared that triple talaq for divorcing the wife is against Quran and is also against Islam. They protested and requested Supreme Court and Indian Parliament to make rules and laws against the triple talaq. Then next point, temple land in Tamil Nadu will be given to Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited for 15 years agreement for lease, and in that temple land eucalyptus plant will be cultivated. 3,600 acres will be given for that. From there 50,000 tons of eucalyptus wood is expected, and 30% of the revenue will be going to the temple. Next point, Toshiba's atomic energy plant got shifted from Gujarat to Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has agreed to give 2,000 hectares of land for building 1,100 megawatt nuclear electrical energy in Srikakulam. So India is progressing fast and many developments are taking place. Every day we will be reading these India's growth news which are available. More than this is available. We are taking only a small part of that and conveying to you, motivating you to read dharmanews.in, and I request you should listen 24 hours radio of Indian Institute of Scientific Heritage, dharmaradio.net, dharmanews.in, dharmaradio.net. It can be downloaded in your smartphone also. So spread the message about Dharma News, which will be definitely giving you a self-respect, nationalistic viewpoint, patriotic approach, and you will be definitely feeling a sense of pride as an Indian. And Dharma Radio is conveying the messages of great scholars for you to spend the time in your mobile. Thank you very much. Pranam to you.